The RetailOps Shipment Audit tool offers a streamlined workflow to process single-item shipments using singles waves. In this video, we'll show you how to create a singles wave and how to process these waves quickly using the Shipment Audit tool. First, we'll need to create our singles wave. Navigate to Warehouse, Shipment Wave. Select your wave options and set your wave type to singles. Remember, you'll only be able to include shipments with single items. Enter the name of the processing container. Press the Create button. When the wave prints, you will only receive picking labels with a wave header and wave barcode. Packing slips for these orders will print at the audit step. After picking the items from your warehouse, you're ready to begin shipping. Open the Shipment Audit tool by navigating to Warehouse, Shipment Audit. Scan the wave header barcode. Next, scan a lot label or a pick label, or select a shipment from the list on the left-hand side to begin processing. As you scan the lot or pick label, the shipment will be selected automatically. When you select Close Box, the shipping label will print in addition to a 4x6 packing slip. Tear off the packing slip and place it in the box with the order. Continue processing all shipments in the wave until complete.